Hey guys, welcome here. This is me Navin and you're watching SEO Tech. So, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can SEO for your blogger website. So, let's start the video without wasting the time. So, hey guys, firstly you have to log in your blogger account and then click on setting. Now the first one is your title. Title is so important because the audience attract by your title. So give the best title according to your blog posts. And after that, the description. Description means describe your blog. So click on edit and write the description about your blog. So my blog is about business and accounting and tricks. So I write this blog is based on business, accounting information, modern business and etc. So you can write according to your blog and click on save changes. After that, the privacy. Click on edit, click on yes and save changes. Now this is the setting and now click on post comments and sharing. Now this is the page setting. How many pages you want to show on your main page. Select pages and click on save setting. After that, click on language and formatting. If your blog is in English language, then click on language and select English United States. You can also select another language. My language is Urdu, so I select Urdu language from here. And after that, formatting, time zone. You can select here time zone according to your location. Because I live in Pakistan, so I write Karachi here. And also you can give the date header format from here and click on save changes, and that's all. Now the most and very important setting in Blogger is search preferences, which will help you to grow your traffic. Now the first one is here description. Description is here means your keywords by which can user find you. So give description meta tags according to your blog. My blog is about business and accounting and tricks, so I write here a blog for business, modern business, advanced accounting, business tricks and tips, how to grow business, advanced tricks for business, business tricks and etc. You can give here tags according to your blog and click on save changes. So the next one is don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, comment on this video, share with your friends. We will meet in next video which is coming soon. Until take care, goodbye, see you later.